Hello everyone. Today I am here to explain you all about tree traversals. So what is this traversal? Traversal is nothing but the path or the way in how which we move on to the nodes of the given tree. So there are three types of tree traversal. One is the preorder traversal, postorder traversal, and lastly the inorder traversals. For preorder we use NLR, that is N stands for node, L stands for left node, and R stands for right node. Post order we require LRN. What is this LRN? L stands for the left node, R stands for the right node, and then N stands for the main root node. And then lastly the inorder. Inorder has the rule LNR, that is left node, then right node, then the left node, then the root node, and then the right node. Okay, so what is this preorder actually? NLR, that means we have to first visit the node, that is we have to first visit N, then we have to visit L, that is left node, and then we have to visit right node. So now here I have taken a small example. It consists of 45, 36 and 76. As the root says that we have to first go for N. So here N is, that is the root node is 45. So first we'll have 45. Then it says left node. So left node is 36. Then it says we need right node. So right node is 76. So N, L, R. So we'll have the traversal order as 45, 36 and 76. Next, what is this post order? That is, first we'll go for the left side, we'll visit the left node, then we'll visit the right node, and then the main root node. That is left for left node, R for right node, and main N for root node. So, according to the rule LRN, we'll first go for the left node, that is left node is 36. Then we must go for right node. The right node is 76. Then we need to go for the main N, that is root node, that is 45. So the order will be 36, 76 and then 45. So this is the sequence 36, 76, 45. That is LRN. Next, we'll go for inorder. What we do in inorder is we'll first visit the left node, then we'll visit the main root node, and then later we'll visit the right node. So this is the rule of inorder. So as it says left, so first we'll be going for left. Here it is 36. Then it says we have to visit N, that is root node. So main root node is 45. We'll visit 45. Then it says we need to go for the right node, and the right node is 76. So the traversal order is 36, 45 and then 76. So this is our traversal order. So for the better understanding, I'm taking a bigger example. So let's move on to that. First, I'll be taking inorder traversal. So, in this inorder traversal, I have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Then for inorder, we have the rule L, N, R. So firstly, we have to visit the left node. So A is the root node. So according to it, what is the left node? B. B is the left node. But here, B is the root node for D and E. So we'll be going for D, that is left node of B. So first D will be there in the order, as because there are no subroots for D. So D I have written first. Then it says N, that is main node. So after D, the main node is B. So I'll be going for B. So B is present here. Later we have as right node. But right node here is and then it again has a subroots. So this will be considered as the main root, and we'll go for the left root of this, as again the rule starts L and R. So left is H. So we'll be writing H. And then it says, then now again H is the main root node, and H does not have any left node. So we have to directly go for I. So I will be taken as the right node, and after H, I comes to be here. After I, we'll go for the main root of this, as because H was considered as the left. Now again we'll have to go for N. So N present over here is E node. So E will be present here. Then later, as this is completed and B is also completed, we'll have to go for the main node, as B is the main node right now here. Sorry, A is the main node right now. So A will be taken into the tree order. Then we need the right side. As right side is C, it does not have any left node, it is the main root node that has to be written. And then this C gives to the subtree, and that is F, and that is also present on the right hand side. So directly F is traversed. Later the F is having a right subchild, so G is traversal. So G is here. So the total order for this is D, B, H, I, E, A, C, F, G. It's so simple. Just the technique we have to remember is, now suppose for in order the rule is L and R. Then if we go for the L that is left node, and that left node is having more further left nodes or right nodes, then we have to consider that as the main root node, and then again we have to further go for the further steps. The same procedure, same rule is followed for L and R for the subtree. So this is a very simple concept. So we have to just follow the 3 simple rules. For in order it's L and R. Now further example is of preorder. Now in preorder I have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, the same tree, but the rule for preorder is N, L, R. That is first the root node, then the left node, then the right node. So now in this diagram, A is the main root node. So A will be written first. Then we have the left node. What is the left node over here? Here the left node is B. But B is again the root of D and E. As the rule is itself N, L, R, so B will be written again. So after A, we will go for B. After B, the left order tree is there. So we'll write D. And again D is the main root. Hence D has to be written over here. After D, D is again having a left tree. So according to the rule of N, L, R, we'll have H in our order. So H is over here. So A, B, D, H. After that, after N, L, we have the rule as R. So R has to be written. So for the D, R is I. So after H, I is written. After I, B is the main root and left sides are completed. So we'll go for the right, and right is E. So E has to be written over here. After E, as our A is also completed, now we'll go for right side, and the right side is again C. So C has to be written, and that C is the main root node. So C is traversed after E. Then that after the root node, our rule says NLR. So after N, we'll go for L. So L over here is F. So F has to be written over here. After F, that is after left node, we have to traverse for the right node. So right node over here is G. So G has to be written over here. So this is the whole sequence for this tree, that is A, B, D, H, I, E, C, F, G. Everywhere we have to just follow the rule. Now here for pre-order traversal, the rule is NLR. So first we'll go for the root node, then we'll check the left node, then we'll check for the right node. If any subtrees are present, we'll consider that as the root node, and then we'll check for the other subtrees of that. This is as simple as that of the in order. So next we'll move on for the post order. So what is the rule for post order? Post order rule is LRN. So here the diagram or the tree says it has nodes like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So first we have to go for the left. So here, what's the left part of A? It's B. But here B, as it is having a further subtree, we'll consider it as the main root node, and then we'll move further. But there is no left node. So we'll move on for the right node, as the rule says LRN. After left, we have to check the right. Right here is D. But this D consists again of the subnodes. So this D will consider it as the root node, and then we'll move on for the left and right side. But the rule is LRN. So we'll have to first write E. So E will be the first one to be traversed. Later it says right. So for D node, the right node is F. So we'll be writing F over here. So after F, we'll have to go for the main root node. So main root node over here is D. So D has to be written over here. Then again it says after L left side, as left side is empty. So then we went for the right side, and this right side is completed. So we'll go for the N, that is main root node. So B is also written. Now we have completed this part. Now we'll have to go for the right side of this A. So here the right side is C, that is over here. But this is the main root node as it consists of subnodes. So we'll go for the left node first. So G is the left node. So after B, we'll go for G. After G, we have to go for right node according to the rule LRN. So H will be there. After H, we'll have to go for the main node, that is C. C is written. Then comes A over here. So A is at the last, that is E, F, D, B, G, H, C, A. This is the post order traversal for the given figure. So this was nothing but all about tree traversal. We have three types of tree traversals: in order, pre-order, post-order. For post-order we use LRN, for pre-order we use NLR, and for in-order we use LNR. So these are the three basic concepts which we require for tree traversals. I think you all have understood it better. So I'm signing off from my video. Thank you so much for watching my video.